Hey guys, FjCuts here and welcome back to the channel. Yes guys, we are officially back with a banger. Today you're getting a taper fade with barrel twist on top. And if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Guys, hit that notification bell to know when I upload. We're almost at 100k, so let's get there real soon guys. We've got a giveaway coming up, so just stay tuned for that. Hope you guys like this video. Peace. Alright guys, it's been a while since I've done a voiceover, but we're gonna try guys. And guys, it's pretty straightforward. With the one guard lever open, I'm just debulking the bulk. This will keep the canvas pretty clean, so you can start fading straight after. So you're gonna go with the one guard lever open, keep brushing all the hairs down, and just debulk the sides. Try not to get the hair on top, because that could really mess up his locks, plaits, or anything that you do. But just be careful with it guys, take your time, you're not in a rush. Guys, I'm not using a script or anything, I'm just going organic, and if you guys want me to do a script next time, just let me know. But yeah guys, with my T outliners, I'm making my first guideline for the taper, and this determines guys where your haircut will go, whether it will be like a low taper, a high taper, a mid taper. And today guys, we're doing like a low taper, like a temple fade, which allows you to have a good fade with the smaller amount of canvas that you have here. And I do it like where the earlobe comes down, that's where I make my guideline, and then I put a 0.5 guideline after that, and then I flick up with a one guard lever open. And then from then on guys, I use the one guard and I just start flicking and using half of the blade, and you're just working with it guys. Literally just work with it, work with your wrists, try not to dig too much, but make sure to keep brushing the hair down, because that will allow you to fade it properly. You're not just fading hair that's just standing up. There's another thing with tapers, it's pretty intricate guys, so you don't have to finish a taper straight away. You can come back to it after you do all the sides, because with me with tapers, I like to come back to it after I do the shape up. So after you've done like 80% of the taper, you want to just make sure you look at it, see what else you can do, and then come back to it after. But what I just done there guys is I went with the one guard again and I debulked the sides again, just make sure that no hair is just uneven, and makes everything just look much cleaner. Alright guys, so the same thing goes with the other side. Another thing guys, I'm sorry about the camera. I'm gonna try work some new angles so you guys can see the haircut instead of like my body, my arm, or the clipper just blocking the way. But we'll work on that guys. And yeah guys, I'm just literally debulking again, making sure everything is even, because guys, you don't want any hairs just poking out with this type of trim, because everything is neat and everything is clean, especially with the locks and stuff. So you don't really want to have bulk coming out and stuff, but we don't want it too short, because then you'll lose the purpose of like a taper fade, and it will just be basically skin and locks on top. So just be careful on trimming it down. Just make sure you give yourself enough darkness of the hair to fade, which is the 1.5 here with the grain. Alright guys, you might struggle with the back sometimes. Like here, I'm pulling the hair up and fading it down, fading it up. It's the same concept, guys. You know, you put your one guard in, but what I'm doing first is I'm debulking, make sure I'm getting all the hairs even, and then, you know, you want to put in your first guideline with the 0, then you want to put in the 0.5, and then you want to go up with your 1.5 guard, and, you know, just start flicking up. I'll do another video, guys, and make sure like you get the in-depth tutorial of like how to fade, but this is just a quick tutorial. You know, just I'm letting you guys know that those who have the basics of how to cut hair know what I'm doing right now. So guys, in this clip, guys, he did have some like lock gel on his hair, so with like a small tooth comb, I was just combing it out, getting rid of that gel, so, you know, I can shape it up more cleanly and stuff. And now you want to get your T outliners or whatever you use to do your shape ups, or like a detailer. Yep, I know, guys, it's focused on my hand, I'm sorry, but yeah, guys, you don't want to push it too far back, you just want to go with the natural line. And when you're going around the ear, make sure you just use half the blade, guys. Don't use the full blade, because you'll just make straight lines and you don't look like a Roblox character, right? After you're done with all the lineups at the back, I'm literally just debottling again, making sure everything is even, and I'm now fading the hairline. So I'm with the one guard, then I'm going with just the lever open, new guard, and I'm just, you know, fading the hairline, making sure like, you know, I can bring the hairline a bit more forward instead of just going crispy from the darkest point. So I'm now, you know, using hairspray, making sure I can brush all the hairs down and it will stick, making sure it's laid down flat. You know, by doing this, I can get the most hair to make, you know, the most natural lineup possible. Guys, that's what you want to do with lineups. So now I'm going with my T outliners and I'm just, you know, dabbing, dab, dab, look, dab, 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 look, dab, 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 and look. So yeah, guys, as you can see, I did put the first lineup in. This is how it looks like, more natural, just without any enhancements. And I just, you know, went back and just clean up the fade. But yeah, guys, with taper fades, you go back and forth to make sure everything is clean and tidy. I usually use my jet ink for enhancements, guys, but today it ran out, to be sad. So I use my, you know, hair fibers, and as you can see, I put a little bit too much, guys. Some barbers will leave it and make it too dark, but guys, with my haircuts, I like to keep it a little bit more natural, guys. So I brushed it off, went back into it and just made it look a little bit more natural, guys. Make sure you don't put too much, guys, because they will know that you have enhancements on. So with hair fibers, once you put it on, you can go back with your liners and just clean it up, which just basically removes the excess that you don't want. And guys, here, this is optional. You know, some barbers, especially me, I do YouTube and take photos of these haircuts. This just makes the hairline pop a little bit more. So this is just like a pencil, a chalk pencil that I use just to basically give it that contrast. You know how girls use for the eyebrows? This is something for the hairline that I would use. And as you can see, guys, voila, look at it. Just look at the haircut, guys. You know, you don't have to use too much. I have different shades for different skin tones, and this is the best for him because I've been cutting Tyrese for a long time, guys, and you know how good it looks, guys, already, and it's not even done. Yeah, check that. And yeah, guys, you want to do the same thing, and as you can see, that's why we faded the hairline, because you can see the little bit of a gap there, but you don't want to go all the way up there, guys. You want to keep as much hair as possible. And guys, we used to do a beard for Tyrese, but as you can see, guys, he decided to go with a goatee because it just looks a little bit more cleaner, guys. And you know, your beard will come someday, guys, you know, those who are trying to grow it, but maybe it's time to just go for a goatee. And you understand why the goatee just looks so clean, because you don't have, you know, uneven hairs on the sides, and it just looks so much cleaner with a taper, guys. Or, you know, even if you have a full fade, skin fade, you know, a goatee just looks very clean, guys. And you know, now I'm using my trimmers and my faux shaver just to make sure everything is skin and makes everything look clean. Make sure to shape up the mustache as well. And now I'm just going in with my blade, and I'm just literally just finishing up the haircut, guys. Guys, this is the cut. As you can see, it's clean already, but I went back and used my scissors to make sure I get all the stray hairs. But yeah, guys, this is the cut. If you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I have so many videos lined up for you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned and make sure you hit that notification bell. But yeah, guys, we're almost at 100k. I do have a giveaway, and that will be announced real soon. So it's been FJ, guys. Hope you like the cut. Peace.
Baby, my Valentine. Can I hit the making with temperature difference? If you leave me a good time, I swear you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest, I'm loving the thought of me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your heart. body they